Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your research chemical supplier business. If you receive a lot of repetitive queries about product specifications and pricings, then manually handling all of these queries can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automate this whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for research chemical supplier business. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I am going to send a general message like hi. And our chatbot responds with, "Hi, welcome to Research Chemical Suppliers. How can I assist you today?" And it has provided us three options. I'm going to select the first one that says specifications. And our chatbot responds with, "Product specifications. Please choose a product to get specifications." So I'm going to select compound A. And our chatbot responds with the product specifications as compound A, purity 99%, appearance clear, colorless liquid, molecular formula C8H10O, CAS number 60128, solubility soluble in alcohol and ether. So I'm going to select the second option that says check prices. And our chatbot responds with our standard pricing, bulk and small quantity. For compound A, it is rupees 500 per grams, and for compound B, it is rupees 420 per grams. Lastly, I'm going to select the option of safety sheets. And it responds with download the safety info for your product. For compound A, it has provided us with the clickable and downloadable safety sheets. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created for research chemical supplier with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To create this chatbot, we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on Sign In. However, if you are a new user, click on Sign Up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on Sign In, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next, we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up, we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here, you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up, we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up, we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created, so when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it as Research Chemical Supplier Chatbot Flow. On the screen you can see there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can enter some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format like this. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template. We can choose any template to send to the user. Once we are done with the basic setup, we can start curating our first message with the help of text button. Here I've added this message which will look like this to the user. Here I've added these little star signs at the beginning and at the end of the text because it will make the text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Here, with the help of text button option, I'm going to add some quick reply options like this. Here I've added all the options like once we have created our first message, we have to curate a response for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with specifications. And for this, I'm going to access the text button again. And here I'm going to here I've added this message and here I'm going to add the product options like this. And then I'm going to add specifications for each option. Let's begin with compound A. So here I'm going to add all the specifications. Like this, our message will appear like this to the user. And then I'm going to curate for compound B. Here I'm going to add the specifications. Our message will appear like this to the user. Once we are done with our first response, we will move on to the next one that says check prices. And for this, again, I'm going to access the text button. Here I've added the prices and our message will look like this to the user. And lastly, I'm going to curate a response for safety sheets. And for this, I'm going to access text button again. So here I've added this message. It will look like this to the user. And here we have provided the link to the safety sheets data for both of the compounds. And this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for Research Chemical Supplier business. We have created this chatbot easily with the help of Pabbly Chatflow by accessing all of its features. Once you have created your chatbot, you have to save your flow. And once the flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.